Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails and welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing some cozy winter nails. Let's jump into it. Alright you guys, so this is what I have so far for these nails. This is part of the cozy winter design I'm doing. I did the mittens and then I did some snowflakes around it. And then we have a couple of glitter nails as always. So this background color is called Cozy from Charme. It's a really pretty color. And then I'm using two stamping plates from Clear Jelly Stamper. I'm using this one. And I've already done the mittens. And I'm going to do a snowman and then the hat on the other nails. And then I have, oh, I'm sorry. This plate is CJS C11. And then I have this snowflake plate that I'm going to use to put snowflakes around the designs, and it is CJS C24. The stamping polishes that I'm going to be using are black and white, and they're 1 and 2. And then these two green colors, 214 and 46. And then this orange and this brown, 14 and 60 or 90. 60 or 90. I'll have it in the description box below for you. And then this pretty glitter. I'll just open this. It's really pretty glitter. Very neutral. And this is called Woodland Road from Glitter Lambs. And I'm going to be using my Flex Gel from Young Nails. And then I have my Ugly Duckling brush for the gel. And then my ombre brush and all of that. I'm using the Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper. And that's about it. So we're going to start with the glitter nail. Our glitter nail. I am going to put this in the light and cure it for 60 seconds. This is all cured, and now I'm going to encapsulate this. Encapsulated nail. I'm going to stick this in the light for 60 seconds. Alright, here's our cured nail, and we're going to cleanse this with some cleanser. And then we're going to shape it. Okay, we're gonna go into stamping now. I'm gonna be doing this snowman, and all of the steps are right here. With looking back at the picture, here we have his arms here, scarf, nose, eyes, pipe, hat, and then his body, obviously. And there's our snowman. Isn't he cute? I'm gonna do our hat, which is over here. We have do, 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 do. Yeah, that didn't work out. Got some blank spots in there. Now I'm going to go through and put snowflakes around the snowman and the hat. set. I am going to top coat the 3 that need top coated, and I'll be back to show you the finished result. All right, y'all, this is the finished set of Cozy Winter. Hope you guys are staying warm if you're in a 4-season part of the world. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!